Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove a Shopify payment method from your store. It's a quick and straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Start by heading over to your Shopify store. Once you're there, look for the Settings option at the bottom left of your screen. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on Payments in the left panel. This is where you'll manage all your payment methods. Take a moment to review your current payment providers. You might see Shopify Payments or any other integrated payment provider. Scroll down, and you may also find Manual Payment Methods. If you have manual payment methods, click on Manage for each one and deactivate them. This ensures you've removed all other types of payment methods from your store. Now, go to the top payment method, typically Shopify Payments or your primary provider. Click on Manage and then choose Deactivate. Confirm the deactivation by clicking through the prompts. That's it. You've now removed the Shopify payment method from your store. If you ever want to enable it again or add a new payment method, simply go through the same process, choose your provider, and complete the verification steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.